What up, everybody? Welcome to 100 Proof Emma. Today I have a very special guest of mine, Miss Kristine Bocchino, who is here visiting us, and she is the queen of all things beverage. All hail the queen. I am now crowning you Queen Kristine.
So great to finally have the recognition.
It's about time.
Thank you so much for having me. I'm excited to share with you some fall brunch martinis.
Yay!
They're actually non-alcoholic,
okay.
And it's something that you can enjoy in the morning, having guests over, and still function the rest of the day. Whew. Which is something that we all could use these days, right?
Yeah, I'm not pointing fingers, but few people I know need to do that. So awesome.
We are going to put together this non-alcoholic brunch martini.
Awesome.
Yours is going to be slightly different, but we'll walk you through it. So first of all, we're going to take 2.5 ounces of our base spirit, or non-alcoholic spirit in this case.
Awesome.
So 2 ounce here, another 1/2 ounce on the other side. Mine is more of a gin base, and yours is more of a rum base, so it'll be slightly different.
Nice.
And then we're gonna take our juice. I've got blood orange juice.
Okay.
You've got grapefruit, because I know you're a grapefruit lover.
I am,
so
I really am.
That. And then we've got a little bit of an orange marmalade cordial. Cheers.
Yay, cute.
That's 1/2 ounce of that.
All right.
And then here's where another one of the differences is. I've got egg white.
Okay.
And you've got Aquafaba, which is the liquid that comes from chickpeas, a can of chickpea.
Yeah, so
actually, a vegan or vegetarian option.
I saw earlier we were actually just taking it out of this can, which anybody can do. It's kind of crazy, but
yeah,
it's
it's
super
a great
vegan.
option as a foaming agent. They use it in baking, all kinds of stuff.
Love it.
The next thing we're going to do, and this is where kind of the fall flavors come in, we've got a hibiscus clove little cordial. It's a non-alcoholic essence. We're going to do about a 1/2 ounce.
Thank you.
Top yours off with
yeah,
that.
thank you.
And then cardamom bitters. So anytime you have a little bit something sweet, you kind of want to have the bitter component too. So we're going to put just 2 or 3 little shakes of the cardamom bitters.
Awesome.
All right. So normally you'd probably be thinking that you want to put ice in here and shake it.
Right. Why
we're going to do
not?
a dry shake. And what we want to do anytime you're going to use that foaming agent, like the Aquafaba or the egg white, you want to shake it this way first to really make sure that that gets incorporated.
Okay.
So we're going to give this a good hard shake. Just maybe about
I like shaking it hard.
Okay. All right, so we're done with our dry shake.
Great.
Now we're going to take the top off and add our ice.
Okay. Awesome.
Put our ice here on the side.
That's a nice bone.
I know, right? Already, it's looking good. Put the top back on. Oh. My shaker's a little excited. Sorry. All right, so make sure that's on tight. Give it a good shake. All right, so now we're ready to pour it into our glass. So you want to take the strainer, pour it in.
Oh, wow.
And you're going to see the color differentiation because mine had the blood orange, yours had the grapefruit.
Yeah.
And then you want to just kind of shake it and make sure you get everything out.
I'm completely full.
Oh, look at that.
Yes.
Just the way you like it, right?
That's right, baby.
All right, so we'll put these aside. And then just to give that little bit of extra fall touch, we're going to grate a little bit of nutmeg on top.
So nice.
And that's it.
Okay. Looks great. Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay, what are we drinking today?
So these happen to be our non-alcoholic brunch martinis. Mine with a little blood orange. Yours is grapefruit because you're a grapefruit lover. And you've got the Aquafaba, so it's vegan on top of it.
Perfect.
So something for everyone.
Okay.
I hope you like it.
I think I will. Oh yeah, super good. Let me try yours.
It tastes like fall actually with all
love-
those fall spices in there.
Oh, I
It's
love
really
that.
great.
Totally like cloves and cardamom and cinnamon and everything.
Absolutely.
That's so nice. So if I wanted to add alcohol, what would I add?
I would say for yours, I would probably go with rum.
Okay.
Kind of a variation on daiquiri.
Yeah.
For me, I mean, really blood orange goes with tequila, mezcal, whiskey. I mean, anything.
I love it.
Anything.
I love it. I love it. Well, thank you so much for coming today.
Thank you for having me. It was so fun.
Can I have yours too?
I don't know. I might. All right.
Okay, thanks.
You're the host.
Okay.